GFS Manufacturing. GFS Manufacturing is a member of the global fiberglass solutions family, helping to reduce the world's carbon footprint. Wind turbine blades can't be recycled, so they're piling up in landfills. Companies are searching for ways to deal with the tens of thousands of blades that have reached the end of their lives. Each turbine blade will need between 30 and 44.8 cubic yards of landfill space, using a total of 448,000 cubic yards of the 2.6 million yards set aside for construction and demolition material. The components are made of a fiberglass material that is one of the most inert, non-toxic materials accepted at CRL, Langston said. The average lifespan of a wind turbine is 20 to 25 years, and wind farms repurpose and recycle 90% of the materials in a wind turbine unit. The only materials not recycled are the fiberglass blades and motor housings. Nationwide, there are nearly 50,000 wind turbines, with 27,000 being decommissioned since the energy boom of the 1970s. According to the Cowboy State Daily written by Isaac Orr on August 14, 2019. Most used wind turbine blades end up in landfills. Colorado is part of the push to make the industry greener. Wind energy industry leaders don't like the optics, even if the old blades don't pose environmental harm. And Colorado could see a new generation of recyclable, repairable blades. The Colorado Sun, Kevin Simpson, February 26, 2020. Global Fiberglass Solutions developed a method to break down blades and press them into pellets and fiberboards to be used for flooring and walls. The company started producing samples at a plant in Sweetwater, Texas, near the continent's largest concentration of wind farms. We can process 99.9% of a blade and handle about 6,000 to 7,000 blades a year per plant, said Chief Executive Officer Don Lilly. The company has accumulated an inventory of about 1 year's worth of blades ready to be chopped up and recycled as demand increases, he said. When we start to sell to more builders, we can take in a lot more of them. We're just gearing up. Global Fiberglass Solutions is leading the way to repurpose a massive global waste stream of fiberglass composites. GFS has developed the technology to convert the fiberglass waste streams into valuable products that can be supplied back to the customer or sold to end buyers in a variety of industries. Most wind turbine blades are over 50% of the projected lifespan. Global Fiberglass Solutions, GFS, is an innovative recycling, materials science, and green product manufacturing company. We produce high-quality, non-polluting infrastructure and building products from recycled fiberglass composites. Our company is well-positioned for the global transition from landfill disposal practices to sustainable reuse that most of the Fortune 1000 companies are adopting. GFS has over 10 full patents and more than 20 provisional patents covering this process globally. For instance, U.S. Patent US 2011-03-01287A1. The current legal patent protection coverage includes the U.S., Canada, Europe, Mexico, and other countries. GFS offers composite waste recycling at the industrial level and holds a considerable lead in the fiberglass recycling and green manufacturing industries. Close alignment with our customers and industry partners, long-term contracts for fiberglass sourcing, a strong brand, access to special resins, and customized processing machinery put GFS at the forefront of the lucrative recycling industry. We use a patented modular system that can be deployed quickly and efficiently and provide customers with cradle-to-cradle certification of fiberglass waste streams. GFS converts the waste streams into valuable products that can be supplied back to the customer or sold to end buyers in a variety of industries. Worldwide, the fiberglass industry exceeds $10 billion annually and is expected to double to over $20 billion by 2025. According to American Wind Energy Association (AWEA) data, over 33,000 blades will be decommissioned in the next 2 years. Incineration or landfilling are the current practices for these waste streams, ultimately shifting responsibilities to future generations. Fiberglass waste can take hundreds of years to decompose, which adds to environmental and climate-related issues. Demand is high for recycled materials, particularly in areas where companies are mandated to use recycled products. Our mission is to provide sustainable alternative solutions for non-degradable materials through remediation services and material science. GFS plans to become a major player in the recycled fiberglass market and offers industry clients a dependable, cost-effective alternative to landfilling. This reduces risk, remains friendly to the environment, and saves money.